The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southern Hancock County in northwest Ohio until 4 p.m. At 3:22 p.m. EDT. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Findlay, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught window shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Arlington around 3:26 p.m. EDT. North Baltimore around 3:30 p.m. EDT. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to basement or interior room on the lowest floor with a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.